This is a furnace for Armstrong here, Ultra Tech 2. The furnace didn't turn on. The code was set up from the control board. 3 flashes, which indicate 3 flashes indicate pressure switch open with inducer on. Okay, troubleshoot that. Here's some other details. Oh, there's a different language. Okay, just a type and possibility. Not true. Don't go just with that, because you'll be replacing parts, unnecessary parts. I checked the inducer. It was working properly. Pressure switch, and it was working okay. There was no obstructions. Everything was working fine. The control board was still flashing after I tried to do a reset by turning on the off and on switch. Nothing happened. The same problem continued. The next thing, it was to see if anything else was causing a problem. So I went and disconnect this connector and there runs the inducer motor. I put my multimeter on it, on this connector. Try it again, close the switch, and no voltage was coming into this. So I'll go back to the board here, and I just step on that on the K2 relay. Let's see if I can focus camera. Okay, this K2. Couple taps on that, and worked again. Quit working a couple times. I give it a good whack with the small screwdriver, and it kept on working for a few hours, and then it quit again, and I just came in and removed just the cover of the furnace. And as I was trying to push the safety switch, so I can see if I can turn it back on, the relay worked again, so I didn't bother doing anything else. So I went to bed, just thinking if I needed to turn it on again by whacking it, the relay, I will come back and do it. But I had no need to do that. It worked all night. A technician was able to find the part for me. This is the old part. It's only 3 or 4 years, this furnace. Can those people make things that last? I don't know. You see where it was made. I don't want to criticize anybody, but things used to last a lot longer. And this is made the same place, I guess. Not the same company, but the same place. Hopefully this thing will last me a few years. It won't hopefully it won't happen during the winter when it's 20 or below 0 or something like that. Last night was 20 degrees. wasn't pleasant in the house until we got it going again. But just don't go by the codes all the time. I mean, it could be right, but this time it was wrong. So for those guys that have a furnace with a similar problem, make sure you follow the diagram properly. I have the diagram for this furnace. Maybe this will help. Just follow the diagram. Check every possibility before you discard any good parts. There's K2 inducer, draft motor. The problem is K2. So I hope this helps. I know other videos from other people had helped me, so I hope this helps for someone out there.